Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on system navigation. And as you can see, right here we've got the gesture navigation, so all we have to do is to tap on it. But before, just a quick disclaimer, if you will decide that you want to stick with the 3-button navigation, here you can kind of customize it. So for example, reorder the back button and the recents and change the icon style accordingly to your liking. So let's tap on gesture navigation, and as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got also quick animation of how to use it. If you want to, you can also hide this line, and it's basically up to you. You can decide whether you want to swipe horizontally to switch between apps and swipe to bring up digital assistant. Everything up to you. Here we've got also the tutorial. But right now I'd like to show you kind of a shortcut of how to use the gestures. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like that, until you will see this arrow. Then release the finger and you will go back. In the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, the same situation, however, this time elongate the gesture and hold your finger here. And as you can see, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.